Hi everyone, Richard Powell here with Dent Group of VA. There were some storms that came through the area last night, so I just want to let everybody know we do have a location here in Chantilly. You can come directly to us, and we're located at 14303 Solely Field Circle, Suite E. We are open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Walk-ins welcome. You do not need an appointment. You will be greeted by our friendly staff here. They'll ask you how we can help, fill out the proper paperwork while you have a seat in our waiting room. Our waiting room is designed as a living room. We are a family business here, so we are about customer first and making everybody comfortable. We have our office staff that can handle any type of insurance claim and help you walk through the whole process. Here's our back shop where all the repairs are done, and we've actually are using a new technology that was just launched to estimate hail damage. PDR Mobile is the founder, and in our industry, been doing this for 21 years. A lot of times we'd have to circle all the damage, and it just takes a lot of time, then wipe the vehicle down while the customer's waiting. Well, with this new technology, that is not necessary. No more marking up your vehicles. It's electronic, the software registers the size of the dent count, so there's no more of, oh, there's 80 or there's 100, oh, it's this size or that size. It's all in the software now. So let me just show you a little bit what that is like. Scan the damage. It'll give you an image as well as it'll circle it for you on the software. We are the only company in the area that is using this software currently. And once again, we're about the customer. It can speed up the process, speed up the estimating process. We use all the high-tech tools here to scan your vehicle. Every vehicle that comes in, if you have to disconnect any component of the vehicle, it needs to be pre-post and post-scan, which means we scan your vehicle for previous codes. Once we do the repairs, we scan it again. If there is a code, then we reset that code. And please do not take your vehicle to a shop that is not using this process. It is recommended by the manufacturer to have this done. Here at Dent Group, we're about the customer, liability, customer first. So please give us a call or come by and let's see how we can help today. Thank you and have a great day.